Hey there, tubers. I'm taking my dogs for a walk, and I figured I'd introduce this video. Um, who doesn't like fish sticks? I mean, I'm sure there's some people out there, but even the toddler palates like fish sticks. Anyway, there's all kinds of things you can do with fish sticks, but I thought of something a little different. I thought maybe, what if I thawed them out, chopped them up, and use that as a fish taco ingredient? So I did. I thawed them out, chopped them up, and sauteed them. And I filmed it. But excuse me if I walk, I'm gonna fall down. Um, when I filmed it, apparently the audio didn't work. I'm hoping the audio is working right now. Hopefully that you can hear that. So unfortunately, this video is going to be voiceover. I say a lot apparently. So without further ado, let's get into it. We've got fish sticks. We've got homemade tartar sauce. We've got homemade salsa, cabbage, tortillas, and some cheese. This is where I'm going to go cook it, in my outside kitchen, assuming I don't fall down these steps right here. Well, I guess I could film me falling down the steps. It might add to this video. Anyway, here's the stuff I cook with in my outside kitchen. And this is my outside kitchen. Trees, wilderness, dining area. This is the fish cooking. I'm going to use some taco seasoning. It's actually homemade, but I can't prove it, so use what you got. So this is me filming with one hand, trying to open up the bottle. Wait for it. Wait for it. There we go. There's really not much to show you. I mean, I'm sauteing some chopped up fish sticks. So let's do the next best thing. Here's the fish. These are tortillas with tartar sauce and cheese. This is the shredded cabbage I'm going to use, the homemade salsa. This is the tacos with the stuff and the cabbage. I forgot to show the salsa. Sad face. I did have some leftover fish, so I decided to cook them with some French fries that I brought home from a restaurant in town. This is the leftover fish. Once again, not much to show here. Oh, I'm steaming the tortillas. So, back inside with the fish, with the tacos and the fish, and the cabbage, and this time the salsa. We've got happy face now. So, I'm not going to show myself eating these tacos, but they were really good. There's not much else to tell you. I made fish tacos with chopped fish sticks.